So basically, the topic is about the composite material that is used in orthopedic surgery. Orthopedic is a medical specialty that focuses on the diagnosis, correction, prevention, and treatment of patients with skeletal deformities, disorder of the bones, joints, muscle, ligaments, tendons, and nerve and skin. There's a lot of amount of medical device, but only a few metal are commonly used. Metal alloys such as titanium remain the top essential instrument of orthopedic implant system, while titanium-based implants are usually designed for 10 years or more. Longevity is not guaranteed, and lack of integration into the bone for long-term survival frequently occurs. So, what are the best material that replace or substitute titanium alloy in orthopedic surgery? We decide the second material that can be substituted is carbon fiber. This is because it has particular advantages for use in orthopedic operation due to their excellent toughness, radiance, and height strength characteristics. So next is for the objective. Objective of this experiment is first is to express understanding on composite material in biomedical industry. Second one is to describe the criteria that is special for the specific application in biomedical industry, and lastly is to show the comparison between titanium alloy and carbon fiber.
Okay, so what is titanium alloy? Titanium alloy is basically alloy that mainly made up from titanium and other metals, which is then mixed in order to provide additional strength, flexibility, and malleability. For your information, titanium alloy is currently one of the most popular materials that are currently used in biomedical sectors. It is mainly used in implant tool, in which to replace the hard tissue in our body. Okay, so the titanium alloys can be classified into 3 types, which is alpha type, alpha plus beta, and beta type. The alpha type titanium alloy are composed of single phase alpha microstructure. The beta type are composed of single phase beta microstructure, and of course for sure, the alpha plus beta type are composed of 2 phase alpha plus beta microstructure.
Titanium alloy is a good composite materials in biomedical industry. For application, one of the most common is the medical implant as a replacement of failed hard tissue in human body. Titanium alloy is biocompatible with human body as it do not cause any harmful or toxic chemical reaction with the living things. For example, the application that we usually seen is the artificial joint, the bone plate, or artificial heart. Besides that, titanium alloy can be used to make a device for dental implant such as the screw or the bridge. Titanium alloy has the ability to join with the human tissue, so when it's applied in dental implant, it can be joined with the gums and increase the efficiency of the dental implant. There is another properties that make titanium alloy a common materials in application of medical implants, which is the non-magnetic properties. As we know, MRI is a method that commonly used in diagnostic diseases. Inside the MRI, we will be surrounded by the magnetic field. So, for people who has a mental medical implant inside their bodies, it is dangerous if the metal magnetized. For titanium alloy, it is categorized under paramagnetism, where the metals is only weakly magnetized and under a magnetic field. With these properties, the people with titanium alloy medical implant is safe during the MRI diagnostics.
So what is carbon fiber? Carbon fiber is composed of carbon atoms that bonded together to form a long chain. The fibers are extremely strong, stiff, and light. Carbon fiber offers many unique physical, chemical, and biological characteristics that can be exploited for many diverse applications. Carbon fiber components can be found in aerospace system, automotive components, lighting filaments, energy storage, and recently their use has expanded into the surgical implant space. The various surgical applications of carbon fiber are defined from biocompatibility within the human body and wound healing products to various surgical implants. Carbon fibers offers many unique physical and chemical properties to include high heat tolerance, high strength to weight ratio, resistant to corrosion and conductivity. Carbon fiber is a material that offers stiffness and strength at low density, which is lighter than aluminium alloy and steel. Weight for weight carbon fiber offers 2 to 5 times more rigidity than aluminium alloy. In the case of specific component that will be stressed only along the one plane, made from one direction carbon fiber, its stiffness will be 5 to 10 times more than aluminium alloy of the same weight. Use of carbon fiber of higher modulus may provide 4 times the rigidity compared to aluminium alloy at similar or improved ultimate strength. Lastly, carbon fiber is corrosion resistant and chemically stable than aluminium alloy, which make it more suitable for orthopedics.
Assalamualaikum. So what makes carbon fiber better than titanium? When titanium is used, it has the difficulty in determining its osseointegration and antimicrobial properties. This happens because the biocompatibility with its function is hard when metal is used. Polymer matrix composite, which have carbon fiber content, have high potential of osseointegration toward biocompatibility and its function. What are the tests that have been made in order to prove carbon fiber is better than titanium? There are 2 tests that have been made. One of the tests is called bone implant test. Bone implant test is conducted and subjected to a chosen animal like rats. It was said that carbon fiber have better healing stimulation than titanium. Carbon fiber can create high strength biomaterial and density which is similar to bone, and it's also improved the formation of tissue. From the result of the test, it showed that carbon fiber have a higher value of coverage for % bone area compared to titanium. Another test has been made in order to prove the performance of carbon fiber is better than titanium. The results showed that carbon fiber can bend easily, but it has lower strength than metal titanium. However, despite having lower strength than titanium, it can still withstand a huge amount of load in order to meet the purpose of the medical application.
From this study, what we can conclude is the use of biomedical composite materials is wide network of mechanical and biological properties. For orthopedic application, this composite material is widely used in such as bone fastener, joint hip replacements, bone cements, and also bone grafting. Between CF and titanium, which is better? So totally long time ago, these orthopedic implants use the metal as a base, and then it used the titanium for a decade ago because it have potentials and flexibility, modulus closely coordinations bone, and the metal implant is drawback. Carbon fiber have mechanical efficiency compared to lower density of pure titanium. In addition, carbon fiber can integrate in live bone. From the result of the research, carbon fiber is more capable than the titanium. It is to develop high strength that minimize the fragmentations and body tissue imitations.